today, we're gonna super at my dirt bike.
You want to show them the gears?
Yep. So right here is the gear I want to put on.
Yep, so that's 17 tooth. He's got a 14 tooth on there right now. This kit came with a 10. This one's a 10, 11, 14.
How much?
15, 17, and 20, I believe, this one.
Yeah, this is 20, and then we count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 14, 15. No, 14.
14, yep.
4 bolts out. So 1, 2, 3, 4 out, and now we're taking off it so we can put this one on. And then we're gonna make it very. So we're gonna put this on and screw it back up.
So what we had to do was we had to loosen up the axle back here. So we just took a pair of pliers and loosened it up. And then we had to loosen up these here because this is your chain tensioner. So we loosened up the chain tensioner so it can go on.